Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Research Updates. On average, 86% of the world population is non-vegetarian. Around 350 million tons of meat is being consumed per year, and pork is the most widely eaten meat. This high demand of meat is putting an immense pressure on the slaughterhouses. Meat production is also bad for environment. When forests are destroyed to produce industrial meat, billions of tons of carbon dioxide are released into the atmosphere. Livestock farming accounts for 18% of global greenhouse gas emission. Considering these facts, a new startup company, Meat Tomorrow, is working hard to replace pig stays with bioreactors filled with stem cells from a pig. Stem cells are basic cells that can become almost any type of cell in the body. The goal is to present stem cells meatballs in early 2025. Before it becomes reality, entrepreneurs need to make the stem cells divide rapidly and then make them develop into fat cells and muscle cells. Simplistically, we can say when these cells are mixed, we will have the pork. In order to achieve the fast production, the cells should be retained as pluripotent stem cells. These cells can divide almost endlessly and they do it very quickly. But when they start differentiating, they divide much more slowly and eventually stop dividing altogether. To overcome this problem, Meat Tomorrow has developed a solution that can retain the stem cells in the pluripotent phase. Stem cell differentiation is regulated by multiple signaling events. When a stem cell receives a signal from either inside or outside the cell, it initiates differentiation. Researchers have also identified the signaling molecules with which stem cells can be influenced. With the right signals, stem cells can be influenced to remain in pluripotent phase. A general overview of a common protocol for differentiating induced pluripotent stem cells into specific cell types can be culture maintenance, induction of differentiation, directed differentiation, cell harvesting, characterization, maturation and functional analysis, and scaling up. Pluripotent stem cells have the potential to develop into any type of tissue like blood, muscle, bone, etc. And they start this differentiation if they are not stabilized. Researchers are also working to develop differentiation protocols. This will help to figure out how to turn on the genes that cause the pluripotent stem cells to differentiate into muscle cells and fat cells. It has to be controlled very precisely so that they do not suddenly differentiate into other cells like for example bone cell or brain cells. The Meat Tomorrow hopes that cultured pork can be sold in market in just 7 to 8 years. While the world's first commercial sale of cell cultured meat occurred in December 2020 at Singapore restaurant. Cultured meat has the potential to address the environmental impact of meat production, animal welfare, food security, and human health. Thanks for watching and please subscribe the channel.